love the sound of a good thumper. Cruising down a highway covering miles after miles, it sort of makes a morning a good morning.
Good morning, Anand. Good morning. Yes.
I guess you rode the X440 for the very first time, right?
Yeah, I rode it, in fact, for the first time for a longer duration. And I love the agility, the torque, the overall performance. But more than that, I still can't digest. How can you own a Harley-Davidson nameplate for less than 3 lakhs in India? It was unthinkable back in the day.
I mean, kudos to Hero Motocorp for making it happen.
But
But still, I still cannot digest. Like you said, a Harley Davidson under 3 lakhs. But there's only one way to find out how they are making it happen.
चल पता करते हैं.
Sell. After performing the highway ritual of sipping a cup of chai at a roadside dhaba, we sprinted towards Hero Motocorp's Neemrana factory, where the H-D X440 is being manufactured. The short highway sprint proved yet again why the X440 is considered to be such an amazing retro roadster, oodles of torque, sorted riding dynamics, and not to forget the thump. It isn't the first time that Harley-Davidson has rolled out a single-cylinder powered motorcycle, because in the past as well there have been quite a few Harley-Davidson motorcycles that have been powered by a single-cylinder engine. Now that being said, in the modern times the X440 is surely a unique proposition, because a single-cylinder Harley has never existed for decades. Our arrival was soon followed by a brief interaction with the Harley-Davidson team that specifically flew down from Milwaukee. After knowing a few interesting facts about the genesis of the X440, it was now time to witness how it is made.
Beyond this point, camera is not allowed. I'm sure they're doing something very secret, in which they've got the price so down of the X440.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty excited to see what they are up to. And here's a fun fact. This is the very first time that Hero Motocorp has opened their Neemrana plant for the press. So
Really?
we are the experimental ones, the lab rats of the automotive industry. But that being said, I'm really excited what they have inside.
I'm going to keep my camera like this, okay, just in case we can get some shots.
Yeah, let's spy mode. Hero Motocorp has rightly dubbed this facility as Garden Factory because, well, it is a fusion between a garden and a factory. There are around 20 green walls inside the factory with more than 60,000 plants embedded inside them. Major parts of the roof of the factory are reserved for solar panels, which generate 1.2 plus megawatt of energy. There are also dedicated areas on the roof reserved for hydroponic plantation, which only utilizes 2 to 3% of water normally used for plantation. It was also told to us that 70% of the manufacturing is done through automation, guaranteeing that there's minimal human error and uncompromised uniformity. For the X440, Hero Motocorp is utilizing a Japanese method called Pokayoke, which means mistake proofing or error prevention. This method makes sure that not even a single nut is missed while assembling the X440s. The entire shop floor is divided into different sections: engine assembly, frame assembly, inspection stages, and PDI checks, to name a few. All the motorcycles that are manufactured here go through thorough and rigorous inspection. In fact, the riders who test these vehicles before they are delivered to the customer are trained from a simulator program. Another interesting thing that we witnessed was the making of the X440's iconic fuel tank, which stamps that it is indeed a Harley. Harley-Davidson is currently working towards ramping up the production of the X440 to meet the raging demands.
Factory is good, huh?
Yeah, it is a state-of-the-art facility, and I really like how they have, played such importance over sustainability, even more than some EV manufacturers out there.
Exactly. In fact, the tomatoes were looking so real, right?
Yeah.
And they grow all tomatoes here, all farming. The lunch was so pure because they are growing most of the vegetables. So this Harley actually looks like it's been made here completely.
The
And the
X440.
assembly line is also separate, they're not cutting corners. And the best part is the sustainability factor, because it's all, they get the solar panels, they get 1.2 megawatt of electricity, which actually takes care of 10 to 15% of their needs, which is commendable. So I think it's a Harley, I guess. What do you say?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.